Ready to change your YouTube identity or just want a fresh start? Unlinking your Google account is easier than you think. First, get your device ready and tap open the YouTube app. Once the app opens, look to the top right. You should see your profile icon. It might have your profile picture or the initial of your Google account. Tap on this profile icon. A pop-up menu will appear. In the pop-up, you'll see a list of the Google accounts currently logged into your YouTube app, along with other options like add account and turn on incognito. Below will be the name of the account currently logged into your YouTube app. Find the account you want to remove and tap its name. You will see a list of accounts on the device. Select the one you want to remove, and then choose Manage your Google account. This takes you to more account options in the list available. Scroll down until you see the 3 dots located at the top right of the screen. Tap on these 3 dots, and the menu will pop up. From the menu, select Remove Account. A confirmation prompt will appear. Read this carefully as it warns you about data removal. If you're sure, then tap Remove. And that's it. Your Google account is now unlinked from the YouTube app. You can now sign into a different account or use the app without being signed in. Remember to log back in using your preferred account to fully customize your YouTube experience. Consider this a great way to manage your privacy and keep your account secure.